Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix MetaQuest controller pairing problem. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Replace the controller batteries. Make sure the batteries in the controllers are fresh and inserted correctly. Most of the time this issue is simply due to the batteries being discharged causing the controller to stop working. So replace them with fresh AA batteries and try again. Solution 2. Reset your Oculus Quest headset. For that, press and hold the power button on the right side of your headset until it's turned off. After that, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 3. Unpair and repair the controllers. For that, launch the Meta Horizon app on your iPhone. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap on Devices under Device Management. Then select your device. Here you can check the battery percentage of your controllers. Now tap on the headset settings at the bottom. In the list of headset settings option, choose controllers. Now select the controller you are having trouble with. Finally tap Unpair controller. Now tap on Unpair in the pop-up menu to confirm your action. Now wait for a few seconds and pair your controller again. Tap the name of controller that you want to pair. Now hold down the menu button and the Y button on your left controller. Then release them after the light on your controller ring under the Oculus logo start blinking and the controller vibrates.